Play with your monkey on your own time. Some people need to use this for other reasons. Of course, breaking in when someone's occupied isn't that nice either. These two deserve each other. Still, what a good way to introduce today's battle. Boys versus girls, gadgets and toys. I see. Let's give Charlie Brown here a nice thick head of hair. And green, definitely green. Come on, you know he's feeling pumped. Of course, when it comes to hair, it comes and goes so quickly. At least when it comes to the hair on your scalp. Oh, never mind. She's just styling it. I think that's a little too 90s boy band. I mean, come on, those bangs? Yeah, you can't beat the bald look. Sure works for babies. Oh, you can make it grow again. Cool. We can always just braid it too. I think pigtails would really suit this guy. Cool. Transforming cars. What do you think it turns into? Wow, 2-for-1 beast. Wow. Let's just hope when you bought it, it was one of those all parts included deals. What else do they make? Wow, it looks like a white horse, a leopard, and a tiger. And these look like a unicorn with wings. You know anything with horns is tough. Wow, an inflatable unicorn for all your inflatable unicorn needs. Okay, what's next? Are we making food for this doll? Talk about your instant breakfast. Of course, the first rule of cooking, it's all about the toppings. Pour on the glitter. Now, with the help of this turkey baster of sorts, we'll be able to feed our doll. When we're done, it's pacifier time. Oh, what a cutie. He's also so squishy now. Uh-oh. Well, good thing we have a bucket. So, what's he up to now? Pop It toys? If only there was a way to combine the fun of stretching and popping. Oh, maybe there is. Let's stick them each inside some of the buttons. Ah, that's a perfect fit. Now, stretch. All right, they're all in a different bunch of twists and turns. What's next? Even more tubes. We can combine them and pretend it's a mask. Time to play scuba diver. Complete with a jellyfish. Or maybe a baby octopus. Okay, let's see what's next. Yeah, the best way to win a crane game is to just buy the whole crane game. Wow, it didn't even fall out at the last second. This one's really user-friendly. And you even get to customize all the prizes you can get. Let's hope he likes bugs. Normally, I love 2-for-1 deals, but ew, gross. That chicken will lay eggs everywhere. Speaking of chickens, though, let's hope he's more tolerant of the rubbery kind. Especially since they fit right on his hand. One for each finger. Thumbs don't count. Not that they'll be on his hand too long. Probably shouldn't eat that around chickens, or they might be ready for their next attack. What's next? Wow, a cauldron. Don't forget some wool of bat. I knew I should have stocked up on that wolf's bane. Yeah, that feather is a good substitute for newt hides and surprisingly low calorie. So this is how they make pore strips. No, wait, she's writing a wish. Wow, it's glowing. Does that mean it's working? Wow, she got a new toy. Granted, that kind of happens a lot around here. We can all tell what her next wish is. Is she gonna turn him into a frog? Or cut out the middleman and make him a prince? Uh-oh. At this point, he'll shove those plugs up inside. Now for her next trick. Gotta love a good disappearing act. What's our next toy? Ugh, gross. Oh, a golden toilet. Please tell me that thing on top is a horn. Don't keep your puppy corn in there. And it looks like there's another prize in the tank. Thank you, Fairy God Toilet. And look at all the neat prizes we can find inside the bowl. Ugh, is that sanitary? Well, that's what toilets are built for. Back inside it goes. What's up next? Hey, he just had his turn. Or wait, did the girl come back from disappearing? Either way, you can get your water balloons ready in a pinch. A perfect secret weapon. Let's hope for his sake they pop before any girl reads that. Well, look who's back. He likes to play with water? Oh, he's gonna get some water. Yeah, that's a good boy. Keep juggling. I guess it's his turn again. Oh, what a cute little lizard. But we can make him grow big and strong. Okay, it's taking longer than we thought, but it might be worth the wait. Or maybe not. Well, she seems impressed. Okay, this kid needs to learn how to take turns. Or maybe the girl's just on her coffee break. Oh wow, look at all those pretty bubbles. Shooting bubbles is fun and all, but bubbles need space to roam. Let's take this outside.
Yeah.
And of course, a bubble party is just the right thing to step up your selfie game. Wow, it's like a fidget spinner and building blocks all at once. You can combine them. Wow, mesmerizing. Amazing, you can bend the limbs. Make them like arms and legs, and antennae. Oh man, it's a, what is it? I guess it kind of looks like a spider or a crab. But not a spider crab. Does that make sense? All right. Pretty intense competition. Who do you think won? Catch you next time. If you give this unicorn chocolate with heavy doses of glitter, she'll lay you golden nuggets. Guess he didn't want to share. Well, we can make our own fun. Make a mold and fill it with melted wax. Soon you'll have a new candle. Could use some eyes though. That unicorn's not the only one laying golden eggs. It's a baby duck. Let's add it to our collection. Wow, talk about an electric slide. But we've got something even better. A pair of toilet paper rolls. Cut a hole in some paper plates. And glue them together in a spiral. Roll it out, and you've got yourself a slide. But I think this chute needs a ladder. If you're a fan of fresh beats, this bubble recorder's the toy for you. Add some solution and hook it up. I bet this is great for pop music. Now for a little money rain. And in this corner, let's cut out some holes. And you've got a bubble glove. Perfect for practicing your wave. Guess it's time for lunch. Ooh, that's one A+ sandwich. And it's got rainbow filling. Of course, the best part's the taste. Well, if you like rainbows, we can give you rainbows in balloon form. Now take a sponge, cut it into slices with a slit for the balloons. Fold it up into a stretchy toy sandwich.
Wow!
It won't spoil, just don't eat it. What's in here? Squishy letters! Pretty soon, you won't even recognize them. In fact, you can squish up the whole thing. But with bubble wrap, you choose the colors. Add them to a paper bug and get squishing. Forget the colors? It's an easy fix. Just be careful where you aim them. A bath worthy of Scrooge McDuck. And speaking of ducks, look at these fountain ducks. And it comes with a nozzle. Well, anyway, thanks for the drink.
Wow.
Better yet, let's paint this bottle and turn it into a rocket ship. Now poke some holes near the end. Twist the lid and let it pour. Now let's take this rocket for a ride. I think someone wants candy, but not for eating. This stuff's for target practice. Oh, good aim. Wash it down and save the box.
Wow!
Let's cut out a mouth and place a balloon inside. A good squeeze, and he's blowing bubbles. Aw, let's wake up this monkey for some morning stretches. Press his tongue and he starts blinking. And you can even look inside him. Who wants to play on the monkey bars? Don't have a monkey? Take a balloon.
Ouch!
Twist it up and use it to make a tiny balloon. Draw a face on top. Ooh, a kitty. Make a bunch and add some soap. Soon they'll be nice and sticky.
Cool.
So sticky, you can make a bracelet.
Wow.
And each one's great for squeezing. Squeeze each one and start all over again. Ooh, a shark puppet! And it's looking pretty hungry. I think that was just the appetizer. But we can make our own hand puppet. Emphasis on hand. He's hungry too. Who knew being a puppet was such hungry work? Should be enough. Someone's getting a big kiss.
Wow.
Time to order some fries. You can eat right off the case. Careful not to spill the sauce. Probably should keep it flat. Don't worry. Cut up a paper cup, and we can have our own phone fun. Take this clay and squeeze it out into some pretend ice cream. Don't forget the toppings, like sauce, some sprinkles, and a great big cherry on top. Let's collect all this slime in our special slime hammer. Now let's start smashing. Some of these will end up flat, but others have a surprise inside. How about we take this in reverse? Take a prize and some slime and add it to a paper pocket. Now let's squeeze out all that good goo. And dig out the tiny prize inside. And when you're done, make some more. Keyboards can be a lot of fun, especially with jelly buttons. Just remember, squeeze too hard and they just might pop. Of course, they taste great too. But jellies come in all shapes and sizes. Let's add it to this Pop-It toy. Add some heat and melt them into place. Squeeze out your new hamster cheeks. These are the types of cheeks that were made for pinching, literally.